Yeah.
That was totally exciting.
Yeah, my mom's actually watching this in the other room, believe it or not.
This
And,
man said that game's boring as
she
fuck.
just popped in to freak out about this.
Ooh, this looks pretty.
Oh, Grounded's coming to PS5.
Oh, you didn't have to do him dirty like that.
Oh,
Oh, Ratchet and Clank! Yay!
Shut all the fuck up, bro.
Look at all these exclusives, man. Bro, 2 Insomniac games in one stream.
And we back in this.
Yo, straight up, man.
oh, bro. Ratchet and Clank. Oh my god, I'm happy. I am happy. I love this series.
I cannot wait to watch this afterwards when they put it in 4K. Oh, that's gonna look nice.
Oh my god.
Oh, we doing some multiverse?
Yo.
Dude, if they do something like that in the game because of the SSD, that'd be insane.
Dude.
Like instantly
You just
popping in the world
immediately
like that.
popping in the bro.
Yeah, like
Alright, with Doctor Strange there, bro.
I know, right? Literally, this is just like that scene in Doctor Strange. Straight up.
oh hey, Doctor Strange game. There we go.
That is.
Hey, hey,
Make
hey.
that.
I mean, hey, you know,
Hey.
hey, Sony's been working with Marvel. Hey, you know.
We can
Nah,
make
but
that happen.
but this looks
Well,
nice. I'm dead. The chat
Oh.
is saying knack, 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 knack.
Bro. Dude.
This looks great.
Oh, I am so happy. I thought for sure I wasn't going to see them again for a while, and oh, I'm happy.
If it launches this year, dude.
If this is a launch game, I am buying. I'm buying. Yeah. Oh my god, they get separated.
Oh, so it's kind of like well, this is a different dimensions, but it's kind of like Crack in Time. What?
What?
Ripped apart.
Yo.
Are they both gonna get stuck with a different counterpart, bro?
Maybe. When does it come out?
Maybe
When does it come out?
Hi, I'm Marcus Smith, creative
Here we go.
director at Insomniac Games. The entire studio is so excited to be able to share with you a first ever look at Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. A brand new, full-length, interdimensional adventure built from the ground up.
Someone
for
said
the
Nax,
PlayStation.
brother. I'm dead.
We're doing things we've never been able to do before, like use dimensional rifts to be able to leap from planet